Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, in today's newspaper of Monday, October the 9th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the medium Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. And I've told you earlier in this newspaper we have today no extra puzzles. What's the news of today? Well, there's a war in Israel. Yeah, Israel. A war. A lot of dead people, and Max Verstappen has won the third time the world championship of Formula One. But this one is it's big news, Israel. Yeah. All right. Let me continue. Wow. Come on. Okay. Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number. Let me. Number 7238. Yeah. 7238. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. So I think it's a 1 star or 2 stars puzzle. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only one dual box contains the 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 over there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Next shape, how about this L shape? Mirrored. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. Only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 here. Otherwise, if I place the 5 here, it's connected with that box. Should be also 5. But we already have a 5 here. So it should be a 4. and that box should be a 5, and this box is connected with that box should be also 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Well, we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If you place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Okay. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. That box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then let me see. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area. For number 4, these 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. So no 4 here. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 1 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Then let me see. This box can be 1. This box can be 5. So 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Then. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Come on. Well, this box can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. If you place a 2 here, I can fill. If I place 2 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. We have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, so 4 and 5, and this one is connected with that box 4 and 5. But we already have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a double 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5, is connected with that box, should be also 5. Now we have a 5 here in this area, so this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for number 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 here. We have a double 3 there. That means that these 2 boxes can be 3. If I place a 3 in one of those 2 boxes, then I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 3, but also those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left with a 3 in this area should be here. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1, 2, and 3. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, those 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left with a 5 in this area should be here, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here, so 1 digit left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with a 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Then this box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 1. Let me mark those 3 and 1. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 5. If I place a 5 here or here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. I think this box should be 2 because give me 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. These are 3 boxes surround the 4, can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, should be here. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3, okay. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here or here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 4, those 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. Then, let me think. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 1, 1 box left in this area for number 1, 1 and the 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there, and a final, nope, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and the 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah. We will see you in the evening. In the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.